Kids humiliated, parents outraged, and tonight, fallout from claims that students were strip searched at the D.C. jail. It's reaching all the way to the top. On the same day that parents of some of the students involved in that reported strip search filed a lawsuit, there's word tonight that jail officers have been fired, including the warden. Fox 5's Bob Barnard's live at D.C. jail with the new developments. Bob?
Mike, Patricia Britton was a 19-year veteran of the D.C. Department of Corrections, serving the last year and a half as warden of the D.C. jail here. Tonight, she and 3 senior correctional officers have been fired as a direct result of the allegations made by 9 D.C. middle school students, including the one you're about to hear from.
I mean, I'm all right right now, but when I was back then, I was taking off my clothes, I was feeling like strange, like.
This 15-year-old Evans Middle School 8th grader says he was forced to undress and submit to a strip search during a field trip to the D.C. jail May 17th. An incident he says now suspended Principal Diane Brown was told about later that day.
After we came back from the trip, we went to her office and told her everything.
What'd she say?
Jeff, she was like sounding shocked and worried, and I guess she didn't do nothing about it.
The next day, 17 Evans Middle School girls toured the jail and say they too were humiliated.
She's embarrassed. You know, she doesn't want her friends to make fun of her.
I think it was awful and sad.
Edith Davis, Constance Redd, and 5 other parents are now planning to sue the district, Department of Corrections, and D.C. schools, alleging their children's privacy rights were violated by senior corrections officers and teachers during the jail visits.
In addition, under state law, we'll bring claims for assault and battery, negligence, intentional infliction of emotional distress.
Lawyers representing the students say during the girls' field trip, at least one inmate exposed himself.
One of the guards told one of the girls something to the effect of, he's doing that because he hasn't seen a girl in quite a while, and he's very excited.
The parents now want $4 million in damages for each child.
Well, I just thought they was going to tour the jail, like they had on the permission slip, a tour to the D.C. jail.
D.C. schools officials say all student tours of the D.C. jail have been suspended indefinitely.
We don't believe that putting children in dehumanizing conditions make them better citizens.
And tonight, D.C. Department of Corrections officials say future jail tours by middle school students have been banned. Mike?
Bob Barnard at the D.C. jail. Thanks, Bob. William Lockridge, a member of the D.C. Board of Education, released a statement today. He says he plans to seek the strongest possible consequences against those in the schools responsible.